Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. Also, in the comments below, please leave what you want me to try and play, okay? Thank you. Alright, guys, we're back. We're going to try Stampede Furry and see if we can get into the bonus. Come on. Let's get this bonus, baby. Come on, let's go. Start with the $100. Let's see if we can get to the bonus. Give us some good pay. You can do it, Stampede Furry. Come on, Buffalo. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Oh, come on, coins. Come on, coins. Come on. Oh no. We're down to $70, guys. We need some help. Come on, bonus. Come on, coins. Oh my god. Come on, let's go. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Ay, ay, ay. Down to 60. Couple more. How's everybody doing out there anyways? Hope everybody's doing good. Come on, Buffalo. Ay, ay. Coin. Nope. Come on. Good hit. Come on, Buffalo. Come on, let's go. Come on, coins. There we go. All right, let's get some good spins.
Fire shot.
Lock it up. Lock it up. Lock it up. Come on. Boom. 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 Woo. That's always fun. You can get all of them. Come on. Pew, 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 pew. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. I was about to say, don't tell me it's gonna all pass. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Two more. Two more. Come on, stick, stick, stick. Come on, let's go. Stick. Oh no, doesn't look too good, guys. Doesn't look too good. Ay, ay, ay. Settle down. Come on. 147. Come on, let's go. Can do better. A couple more back spins. Come on, let's go.
5 of a kind.
5 of a kind. Come on, let's get a bonus. Let's go bonus right here, right now. Yes, we got it. All right, let's see here. We are going to probably go 8 games, of course. Come on. 25 at a Buffalo, but I believe it was. I keep on forgetting sometimes. Come on, let's go. Ay, ay, ay. 6 more. Come on, let's go. Come on. 4 more. Come on, coins. Ay, ay, ay. Does not look good at all. 2 more spins after this one. Come on. Oh my gosh. That's it. $12.30. What are we gonna do? Let's get a couple more back spins.
Five of a kind.
Come on, buddy.
Five of a kind. Five of a kind. Five of a kind.
Come on, let's go, coins. Here we go. Come on.
Fire shot.
Let's get big fireballs. Come on, big coins. Come on. Oh, man. Doesn't look too good the first spin. Come on, let's go. Second spin. Okay, lock it up. Lock it up. Come on. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, man. You can do it. Let's go. Stick. Here we go. Come on, stick. Oh, man. Two more to go, man. Okay, stick some more. Excuse me, I'm trying to some instant coffee. Come on, let's go. Boom. Oh my gosh. Last one. Come on, boom, stick. Oh my god, look at all them. Oh, come on. You know, I was about to say, can you land them all? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Two more. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Stick. Oh my god. Come on. Alright, last spin. Come on. Oh my god. Look at all them coins. Oh my gosh. We'll take it. We're gonna cash out, come back. Come on, we got a big hit right here as I was recording. Oh my god, we came back and we got this big, huge monster big hit with it. That's crazy. Come on. Let's go. You can do it. Come on, let's get a bonus here. Come on, let's go. Stampede Fairy. Oh my gosh. Man, come on, let's go right here. Come on. Come back, let's go. Oh my god. Man.
Five of a kind.
take this and we'll cash out and come back again. Come on. That's been alright, come on. We're back with $100 again. Let's see what this 100 could do for us. Hopefully we could double it or triple it or quadruple it or maybe even more. Come on. Let's go. You can do it. Let's go. Come on, Buffalo.
5 of a kind.
Oh, man. Bigger. Come on, Buffalo. Oh, yes.
Big win.
Big win. Come on. Mega epic. Come on. Come on. Oh, man. 210. That's not bad. Still a nice hit. Come on. Still stirring my coffee. Come on, let's go. Alright. Let's go. Come on, bonus. Come on, Stampede Furry bonus. Come on, come back. Oh my god.
5 of a kind.
Alright, come on, let's go. We might cash this out. Oh man, we might cash this out and come back. Come on, Stampede Furry. Come on, let's go. Alright, we're back. Sorry I couldn't get the recording done, but I'm down to $27, so let's see what we could do. Come on, bonus.
5 of a kind.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Five of a kind.
Oh my gosh, we are down to pennies. Come on, let's go coins. There we go. Wow, we're down to $4 as you hit the bonus. Gold coins. Come on. Give us some bigger ones. Bigger numbers. Bigger. We want bigger numbers. Please, come on, Lord. Come on, let's go. Sticky icky. Come on. Can you do better? Can do better. Come on. More. More. Come on. Oh my gosh, that's it. Oh, there we go. Wow. A lucky spin. Come on. More. Let's get a minor. How about that? Come on. Whoa, talking about the minor. There we go. Oh my gosh. I would have let it too, I think, if that one down there that wasn't blocking. Wow. That was fun. Fun and exciting. Come on. One more spin left. Come on, you can do it. One more spin left. Oh man, that's it. Alright, we'll take this. Oh, that was fun. Oh, you're down to $4, guys.
Five of a kind.
Alright, guys. A couple more spins and then we might cash out this 300 or 200. And we will come back next time. But don't forget to like, hit that subscribe, and give me a thumbs up, okay? Also, comment below what you guys want me to try. I'll try my best to find the games. Peace out.